So with the new and improved FiXperience Online Suite, Fischer offers very modern and easy-to-use design software for designing of post-install anchors and other systems. And that allows engineers real flexibility. You can use it anywhere in the world and also in any device. And because it contains many different software modules, you can use it for many different applications.
I think CFix makes the specifier life much easier.
It helps you to design the anchors effectively, fast, easy, and also safely. CFix software is really user-friendly. It optimizes anchor selection and design, and all the design parameters can be inserted very easily, efficiently, and quickly, and allows you to design the anchors safely.
Once you open it, you have the slab. You can insert all the details of the slab, all the parameters, so compressive strength, edges, everything that will reflect on the concrete strength, the concrete area that you need for your design. And then you can also model your base plate. So we can have different shapes of base plates, different positions of your load, and then you can also insert your profile. So different profiles for each type of market, so European market, US market. So once you create all the setup of your application, you can insert the loads. So what are the loads acting on your application? The software automatically will calculate the reactions on the anchors. And from these reactions, we will base all the calculations for the anchor resistance. So really simple and really quick.
With the software, you can optimize the anchor, maybe check whether other anchors would be better, maybe more cost-effective. Also, you can do the multiple design. So very easily, in a matter of few seconds, you can calculate all anchors in our range, all sizes. You can check which anchors work, what size is required. Also, maybe you might find out whether you can reduce embedment depths, meaning savings on installations.
They also have a new feature, ENSO 2.0, which is for non-standard applications. So the Eurocode defines a series of layouts which you cannot go out from. So ENSO allows you to do almost every single type of layout in your design. So if you have a layout which the anchors are not properly aligned, or you have some eccentricity in your base plate regarding to your anchors locations, you can easily do the calculations with that. As an example of where CFix was used is Southampton Stadium, St. Mary's, where there was a critical application close to an edge with a bending moment, high shear, and we are able to support engineers on changing a few features on the software, which would make it possible, that design. So the base plate was quite close, the anchor spacing was quite close, so critical, very small concrete area to play with. We reduced the size of the anchor. It was a much more effective application, easy to install.
Our CFix design software and other modules in FiXperience Online Suite are constantly evolving, incorporating new international design codes and also new assessment for the products.
So I think CFix makes the specification not just easier to literally specify, but also comply with the legislations, which requires them to properly specify an anchor, not just list as general terms. So CFix provides that as a very easy and simple way.